car radiator is an essential component of your vehicle's cooling system. Its role is to maintain the optimal engine temperature by dissipating the excess heat generated by the combustion of fuel. However, a clogged radiator can lead to a series of serious issues that not only affect your car's performance, but also its longevity. In this article, we will explore the 6 common symptoms of a clogged radiator to help you quickly identify a problem and address it before it becomes too costly. The first obvious symptom of a clogged radiator is an abnormally high engine temperature. If you notice the needle on your temperature gauge rising above normal, it could be a sign of inadequate coolant circulation. When the radiator is blocked, the fluid cannot circulate properly, preventing the engine from cooling as it should. You may also observe a faster or more frequent rise in temperature during long trips or under heavy load. Coolant leaks can also be a sign of a clogged radiator. A blocked radiator can create excessive pressure inside the cooling system, leading to cracks or ruptures in the hoses and seals. If you notice coolant stains under your vehicle, or if the coolant level in your radiator reservoir drops quickly, it is important to have your radiator inspected immediately. This may indicate that a blockage is preventing the fluid from circulating properly. Another symptom of a clogged radiator is a loss of cabin heating efficiency. Your car's heater works by using heat generated by the engine, which is then transferred to the cabin via a heat exchanger. If the radiator is clogged, this can hinder the coolant flow to the heater, preventing sufficient heat from circulating. If you notice that your heater is no longer working as well, especially in winter, it could be a sign that your radiator is having issues. A clogged radiator can also cause a series of strange and worrying noises, such as gurgling or hissing sounds. These noises are typically caused by air trapped in the cooling system or the overheating coolant trying to escape through blocked channels. If you hear any noises from the radiator or engine area, it's crucial to have your cooling system checked as soon as possible. A clogged radiator can also affect your car's fuel consumption. When the engine overheats due to poor coolant circulation, it may have to work harder to maintain the same performance. This results in higher fuel consumption. If you notice a significant drop in fuel efficiency, it could be due to a faulty or clogged radiator that forces your engine to operate in less efficient conditions. Finally, another common sign of a clogged radiator is the activation of the temperature warning light on your dashboard. This light is designed to alert you when the engine temperature exceeds normal limits. If you see this light come on regularly, it indicates a potential issue with the cooling system, particularly a clogged radiator that is preventing the engine from cooling properly. It is important to understand why a radiator can become clogged to better prevent future problems. A radiator can get blocked for several reasons, including the accumulation of debris and rust, coolant issues, lack of regular maintenance, and leaks or insufficient repairs in the cooling system. Natural wear and neglect of maintenance can cause dirt, rust, or debris to build up in the cooling system, clogging the radiator channels. Additionally, using poor quality coolant or adding water instead of coolant can lead to deposits forming in the radiator, increasing the risk of a blockage. If you do not change the coolant regularly or clean the radiator, obstructions can form over time, leading to insufficient fluid circulation. Leaks in the system can also introduce air, leading to the formation of limestone or other deposits inside the radiator. Preventing a clogged radiator relies on good maintenance of your vehicle's cooling system. Regularly check the coolant level and condition to ensure it is not too low or contaminated. Change the coolant according to the manufacturer's recommendations. If you live in a dusty or sandy area, it's important to regularly clean the outside of the radiator. External debris can also block airflow, which can cause the engine to overheat. Choose a high-quality coolant that is suitable for your vehicle, and avoid adding water or low-quality products, which could lead to deposit buildup. Finally, any leaks in the system should be repaired immediately to prevent further damage to your radiator. If you identify one or more of the symptoms mentioned above, it is important to act quickly to avoid costly damage. If you notice signs of overheating, stop the engine as soon as possible to prevent critical engine components from being damaged. Check the coolant level and, if necessary, top it up with the appropriate coolant. If blockages are found, a professional mechanic can perform a complete cooling system flush to remove debris and deposits. When in doubt, it is always best to consult a mechanic who can clean or replace the radiator if necessary. A clogged radiator is a common problem that can lead to serious consequences if not addressed promptly. Prevention involves regular maintenance of your vehicle's cooling system, ensuring the quality of the coolant, and repairing leaks immediately. By paying attention to the early signs of a clogged radiator, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your engine. Remember, preventive maintenance is always more cost-effective than last-minute repairs.